Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and we had what I was expecting. The first off, I posted this chart about 4 to 3 hours ago, um, while we were still a couple $100 lower. Also over here, I was calling for it. We were still at 630. Been calling for it the whole week actually. Anyway, I'm really glad we finally had it. So let's take a look at what is happening and what is gonna happen. The dollar on a lower time frame over here is showing some strength in my opinion. We had a low over here, we had a lower low over here, and now we just made a higher low. The S&P on a lower time frame doesn't really care. They just keep chatting. Gold, however, not really showing any strength. Nasdaq still good. So yeah, what is gonna happen? This is what I am seeing on a small time frame on the dollar. Like I just said, low over here, low over here, and a low over here. So there's a little inverse head and shoulders. What needs to happen is the dollar shouldn't go past this one. We want the dollar to break lower lows. And of course, if you go to the, let's go to the weekly, this line, we just made a bearish retest on it. So we will see what is more important over here. Like my dream would be a breakdown of the dollar over here, just like we had in the 2017 bull market. Taking a look at the S&P 500, and we are past the previous all-time high, and in my opinion we are going now for the all-time high. Pretty sure we will go there quite rapidly. So yeah, I am quite bullish on that as well. Of course, if we draw some trend lines, we do have some resistance over here. And yeah, that is a line that should be broken. Do I see any other trend lines? Yeah, you could draw this one. This one for the S&P 500. I know my chart is a little bit messy at the moment. I could, of course, remove everything, draw it again. This is what I am seeing. Can we connect it somewhere here? Yeah, we can. So this is what I'm seeing on the S&P 500 futures. This is what I was seeing. It was something like this, yeah. So this is what I'm seeing. I do expect us, however, to go to all-time highs. We are higher than the previous one over here, and of course we have an 8-year trend line beneath us, which we tapped over here. I'm not going to draw it now. Skip a little bit back. Lately we've been looking at this chart as well. It shows funding on Bitmex. Usually when funding is negative, it is a great place to buy. And we just broke out. If you look at horizontal levels, we can easily see a top over here, a top over there. So that means we are making a triple top now on the daily chart. What does that mean? Well, with every tap, resistance gets weaker, but also that means we have a lot of saved up stops over here. So we can pump rapidly past that level if it breaks. 5-minute time frame looking extremely bullish. I think we will break up during the video. Of course, you guys have been seeing this chart for a long time already from me. I can draw it again, but there's really no point in it. If we go to the daily, this is what I expect. I will expect us to go over here. Bearish case in the short term would be connected rightly, a tap again on this line. Also shared by Squirrel. I'm chatting every now and then with Squirrel, really great guy. but he expects something like this, or he was expecting something like this, because he saw some dollar strength, and he was kind of how to say it, careful, because he was seeing some correlations between the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and everything. But I have a feeling the S&P will go to new highs as well, even if the dollar shows some strength at this moment. Also, I believe Bitcoin will still go to 14k, even if the dollar shows some strength at this moment. We are having the perfect breakout of Bitcoin. A lot of shorts entering today as well. I'm not gonna go look into that. Funding was negative this whole while. It's kind of the perfect storm, and we had the halvening, of course. So it is the perfect storm. I don't think dollar strength could stop us at this moment. So yeah, hope it's kind of clear to you guys. Let's check the fundings. It's all kind of neutral. Very good. We can see the pump aggregated heat map. We really ran through it over here. We can see the crazy volume over here, and there were a lot of asks being filled over there. So yeah, very bullish, a lot of strength. Very bullish on Bitcoin over here. And like I said, yeah, we will be going to 14k, like I have been telling you guys the last couple days. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has been lagging a little bit. What are the two lines I am seeing right now on Ethereum? Well, firstly, I am seeing this one. A lot of action on it. It differs a little bit by exchange. So sometimes I exclude some tops and bottoms, just some wicks, because they might be not there on other exchanges. A thing what you could do is trade, look up index prices. Those are like some combined exchanges and combined price, and so you get better averages. But I'm just too lazy for that. So this line from the top over here, connection point over here, connection point over there. So 3 taps makes it valid. We did break that one, but also we have a lot of taps on it over at this line. So yeah, that could still be resistance. Also, horizontally, we still have resistances for Ethereum. So Ethereum is by far not that strong as Bitcoin at the moment. So I would say wait for a break of 360 for Ethereum before longing it. 360 was last year's high over here, as we can see. So Ethereum not looking as strong as Bitcoin. Also made a double bottom over there. Ethereum BTC. We should also take a look at LTC, by the way. Anyway, Ethereum BTC grinding against resistance. Making a really good trend line over here. Matter of time before it breaks. Is kind of a bullish pattern in my opinion. Zoomed out. Is a bullish pattern waiting for it to break. Oh, on the 5-minute time frame, that's a bit too low. Monero doing its thing, looking very good on the daily again. Really grinding against resistance. You could make something like this out of it maybe, but for me it is bullish because they're grinding. They've made a couple daily tops already at this level at 111. Will go rapidly as soon as they break this high. It's a matter of time before they break it. After that, this one comes 150, and yeah, as soon as 120 breaks over here, we go really rapidly to 150, I would say. And yeah, it's looking very strong. It's looking very, very good. I think once 120 breaks, there will be big acceleration for Monero. Take a look at Kava, request from a follower. Let's zoom out a little bit. And what do we see over here? We can clearly see this trend line. Like I said, you can, or I'm not sure what you like or what you should do. I just like to not exactly draw the tops always. I would say there's something like this in the making. Of course, this one is valid, but so this is what I'm seeing on Kava. Some horizontals, some very important horizontals over here. This is a double bottom. It shouldn't go near that one again. If it does, it will make new lows. So you can see, like, as soon as it touches, it went up grinding to a resistance over here, but it grinded up so slow, and then broke it. And once it breaks, you get an acceleration. This is exactly what I'm expecting for Monero as well. Once they break it, there will be a rapid acceleration. Kava at an important place over here, some bottoms over here as well. This should break. If this breaks to the upside, they will go quite rapidly to this level, touch on it over here, and they bottomed like a lot of taps on this line. So this is a big one. And then of course the all-time high. Dot USD 5-minute frame, way too small. Okay, nice bottom pattern over there. I really like bottom patterns like this one. Should go a little bit higher, engulf this one. But it looks good. It looks really good. Yeah, it's a long opportunity over here. It really is a long opportunity over here. That should be resistance. That should be resistance. Let's put on the VPVR. They're at a high volume point, but as soon as they break this level, you can see there is some room. But this trend line, if this breaks, like it has a daily close over here, we can zoom in a little bit more to the 4-hourly. Yeah, it looks very strong. Looks very strong. Break of this trend line, also in this time frame, I see this high. Very important high. As soon as they break this one, you long it. You long it, and yeah, this break of this trend line will push it higher. A bit more like this. They're right now at this trend line on this time frame. Time frames and trend lines can change a little bit, but yeah, dot is definitely a long as soon as they break this trend line, the lowest trend line. Yeah, I said I wanted to take a look at LTC, because there used to be times where LTC and BTC were correlating very much. And this is what some people were seeing. It was something spotted by Johnny Scammy, really great guy, interesting nickname as well. But yeah, I mean, let's remove everything. Let's go to the hourly. So we saw a pennant over here. You connected? No, I can't. So yeah, spotted by Johnny Scammy, great guy. He saw this one. Maybe he stole it from someone else, but I'm not sure. He was the one sending it to me. Yeah, I mean, he was sawing another pennant in this one as well, but I'm seeing a descending triangle. Bullish pattern over here. Yeah, I'm bullish on LTC now as well. They didn't go up with BTC at the moment, but it might still come because this is a bullish pattern, guys. A lot of consolidation for LTC, as you can see. Yeah, and this is what I would see on LTC. Very important for them to hold these lows. Low over here, low over there, get everybody out of their positions, and they really should hold this low and go up from here. They need to break this trend line ASAP, because otherwise it will be a bearish pattern if they keep making lower highs like that. So yeah, it's time for LTC to finally break this trend line and this horizontal. Like I said, funding quite neutral. BTC looking very good. We did see, of course, still the premium on Bitfinex a little bit. Let's see if it's still there, because yeah, it's still there. Bitfinex is known for always suppressing the price a little bit. Suppressing, like there's a discount if the market is really bullish. People buy spot at Coinbase, and if it's really bearish, there will be a premium on Bitfinex. So I'm not that happy with the premium we've seen lately on Bitfinex. If that changes, I'm mega bullish, but I'm mega bullish already. Yeah, this is a scary rising wedge for the S&P. Dollar is looking a little bit bullish as well, but I can't help but being extremely bullish on Bitcoin as well. So that is about it today, guys. Ethereum looking kind of good. Ethereum USD, I mean, it's waiting a little bit. It's lagging Bitcoin. Monero really bullish. Wait until they break this trend line. Kava good as well. Yeah, that is about it for today, guys. Dot was good as well. See you guys again tomorrow, and make sure to follow me on Twitter. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these ref links. I get a little bit, and you get big discounts on your trading fees. What else? Make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you think, and yeah, always let me know what you think and what coins to cover. See you guys again tomorrow.